Assalamualaikum, hello, my name is Alfia Sanatri Elasi. I'm from UIN SMA Banten. Especially I'm student from UIN SMA Banten. I'm here, I could like to share about the book that I review. So, the book I review is little about manual for the new TEFL teacher. Okay, we can see the author of the book is McDonald. Now let's go to the next slide about strength and weakness. The book provides for the new teacher for English teaching, why study grammar, quality of a TEFL teacher, tenses of English language, and how to teach our study. However, it might lack depth in exploring specific aspects, may not extensively cover imaging technology, and might not flee the challenge to limitation associate the reality of the learning atmosphere in the classroom. In the chapter 1 is Introduction to Teaching English. Teaching English can be done by anyone, not just professional teacher. In this article, the speaker recalled three teachers who inspired them and discussed their teaching method. Michael Thomas, as polyglots, linguistic language teacher, and Decor, war veteran during the Second World War. He survived Nazi persecution, served in the French Resistance, and worked with the U.S. Army counterintelligence. He was born in Poland, and after the war he immigrated to the U.S. and designed methods of teaching that he claimed would allow his students to become conversationally proficient with only a few days study. He became internationally famous for both his exploits during the war as well his teaching methodology, and his career he took celebrates such as Maxwell Walsh, Barbara Cersei, Emma Thompson, Woody Allen, and Grace Kelly. Okay, the next slide is the concept of teaching. The concept of teaching is a simple the teacher who has the information or the skill, the student who need to learning the information or the skill. They are the tell him, write down for them, and so use the best textbook available, get them to work it out, memorize technically, practice over and over again, recitation, explain the intricacies of English grammar. This course will consider the and many other teaching methodology that will enable you to learn how to become successful in the teaching English is a foreign language. Okay, well, the next slide is learning by doing. The author recounts his childhood with a father who was a showman who could enjoy the art of improving at the piano. They could change some notes and even change the harmony of some music piece. And the one word that the other remembered was, there are many ways to the skin cut. What this means is that not only are there many different ways to the play music, but there are also many different ways to do other things. This is especially true for teaching. The way to teach depends on yourself, your own personality, the student you teach, your class size, what you teach, the culture and background of your student, the weather and time of the day, the size of the classroom, and the type of course you're. Okay, with the next slide is chapter 2 about learning style. Which is personality do you think goes with what the students say? I didn't go shopping at the weekend because I wasn't sure of what to say. A visitor to the English-speaking country. The next slide is chapter 3 about why study grammar. This is particularly important for students at low levels, beginner to intermediate level. There are many aspects to understanding to the grammar of the English language, and no teacher understand everything. Okay, the next slide is chapter 4 about the qualities of a TEFL teacher. Why do we need to analyze this language? So that you can understand how to construct the language and therefore know how to answer a problem correctly. If, for example, your target language is the present perfect, it would be good for you to understand its structure and its various function or meaning. Okay, the next slide is chapter 5 about get to know your activities and warm-ups. There are many warm-ups. The following suggestions are 3 that you can use for getting to know your student. The first activity, throwing a ball around the room. So a ball atau a kindly toy to your student and without explaining anything, models and structure, and pass the ball to another student. It is likely that will imitate you. There are a few structure suggestions. Second activity, or find someone. And the third activity, taking the list. Ask your student to spend 5 minutes think of 3 things that they have to do. Next slide is chapter 6 about the tenses of the English language. Strictly speaking, there are only 2 tenses in the English, the present and the past. There is no future tense. They are present simple, present continuous, past simple, past continuous, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, future simple, future continuous, future perfect continuous, and the last future with going to. Okay, the next slide is how do we teaching our student. Before you start preparing a lesson, you need to know 2 things. Number 1, what I am teaching. Example, what is the target language? Number 2, who are my students? Example, what is their level? In the level is level intermediate student. They are presentation, control practice, and pre-practice or production. Okay, the last slide is conclusion. This book can be used by the new teacher who will teach English. Teaching English can be done by anyone, not just professional teacher. The method and the way teaching, the author took from the 3 teachers who have inspired him in the writing this book.